Welcome to the lesson. Classes in session. My name is Jesse. Welcome to SEO College. Today we're going to be covering Money Robot tutorial on how to use the Money Robot tool. Right here we're in the back end of our Google Ads account. We're running Google Ads as well as the Money Robot tool, getting organic traffic to our blog. And we're actually getting sales. We're making money. We're making millions of dollars for not only ourselves but for our clients. And I want to help you do that too. So make sure to book a free strategy session below in the comments and in the description below, where I can walk you through the step-by-step process for your own personal project and help you make more money, make more sales, and get away from the pain of not getting enough traffic, not getting enough sales, not making enough money online. So I'm going to go into our Money Robot tool. I just wanted to show you what my blog looks like. My blog is an auto blog. This blog is created and made automatically, so I could be making sales while I sleep, and I don't really have to worry about the pain of making a post every day. I set it up with ChatGPT 4 and it's creating content as we speak. So I want to show you exactly how that happens, and I actually explain all of this in our premium course in our community, where you have the ability to generate a lot more money and a lot more sales in our coaching program. So I'm going to go to my Jetpack here and show you the results that I'm currently getting in terms of traffic that is currently being generated for my website here. So if I click on my details, I'm going to show you all of the views that I'm currently getting right now as we speak. So right here it shows you that day 1 I wasn't getting too much traffic, day 2, and I only made this 4 days ago. So day 1 I was getting a reasonable amount of traffic. I started to get traffic. Today, which is April the 16th, I'm seeing a surge in traffic. So now we're starting to rank. Now we're getting a whole bunch of keywords that are ranking. We got some traffic that is coming in from Google. We got some people that are coming from the United States. So we're definitely making good money, guys. We're making good money. We have our affiliate offers on each of these articles. I show you how to set that up in our premium program. But I would like to book a free call with you and build a strategy for you. Not everybody is accepted to that. So if you want to learn a little bit more about how to do that and how to build this auto blog, how to actually make money with your current website, with your current money site, book a call with me and we'll go over your own strategy one-on-one with me or one of my team members. So with that said, let's show you one of our articles right here. So I'm going to show you this article right here. We're going to show you this article. We're going to use this for our campaign right here. The ultimate guide to choosing the best SERM for fat loss. SARM for fat loss. Okay, so it goes over a whole bunch of stuff for fat loss, and this is a very educational blog post. So what I want to do is I want to copy this educational blog post right here, and I'm going to jump into my Money Robot tool right here, okay guys? And then right here is basically the reports. It shows you the reports of each and every one of the blogs that it's submitting to. So that's a very fascinating thing. So what I want to do is I want to click on new campaign right here, okay guys? Then I'm going to click the URL. I'm going to paste the URL right there. I'm going to take the keyword, okay? So best SARM for fat loss. Keep in mind, I'm not even a fitness. I am into fitness actually. That's why, I look fit. So this is the keyword here, best SARM for fat loss. I'm going to use this keyword as our seed keyword, and I'm going to hop into our keyword research tool. I'm going to show you exactly how to use our keyword research tool to actually drive traffic to our offer. Okay. So I'm going to click on my keyword research tool right here. I'm going to paste the keyword, and just like that, within half a second, split millisecond, I have thousands of keywords. I don't even have to spend hours doing the research. Within seconds, I have a whole bunch of keywords to my disposal. So I don't have to spend hours doing SKU. And I used to spend hours doing research. Hours, I'm telling you. With this, you can do it within seconds. So all I did was I copied to the clipboard, and I close, and I go back into my campaign, and then I'm gonna go into go back into my campaign right here, and I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna spin an article, and then I'm gonna find a great diagram. So the diagram that I'm gonna be using is the SEO Power Ranker. Okay guys, I'm gonna be using the SEO Power Ranker. So this SEO Power Ranker, feel free to steal this one from me. I'll show you what the diagram is in a second. We go to the diagram editor right here, and I'll show you why it's so powerful. So I'm gonna go to SEO Power Ranker, and I'm gonna show you on high level right here. So the reason why this is so powerful is because we have a variety of social bookmarks and Web 2.0 blogs that are all pointing back to our money website. Okay, so that's the reason why is we have the combination of the social bookmarks and the Web 2.0 blogs that are combining in power to show us, to show our website to a variety of these blogs right here and these social bookmarks that are pointing back to our website. You can steal this diagram for me. It's 6BFD33FZH. Okay guys, that's the diagram code. If you want to steal it, you can steal it. It's all yours. So the next thing that we want to do is we want to utilize this article spinner. So I click create unique articles using the Money Robot article builder, and as you can see, it has hundreds of variations of this article going to be posted and submitted to each of these. So the next thing that I want to do is I want to spread the submission over the duration of 5 days for this specific one, and then I'll click create campaign. So there you go. And then I want to just show you exactly what's going on for some of these campaigns right here. So I'll show you right here, and I'm going to go to the report for this one right here. I'll show you why this is so powerful. So I'm going to double click on this, and I'll show you what this one looks like right here. So as you can see, this has been posting to all of these websites right here. All of these websites right here are Web 2.0 blogs, okay? And these are all driving traffic back to my website. And if I click on one of these right here, and as you can see, you get the username and password for each of these websites. Not that you would actually go into one of these, but for example, this would take you probably months and years to post all of these manually, where this is all automatic, guys. That's the beauty of this, is you don't have to go through the process of spending an entire day looking for one backlink when you can get thousands of backlinks on autopilot, all pointing back to your website. It doesn't matter if they're mid to low tier traffic, because it's still traffic and it's still coming from the United States. As you can see that I showed you at the beginning of this video, most of the traffic's coming from the United States or France. I just showed you at the beginning of this video. So I'm going to show you, what a Web 2.0 blog looks like right here. So I'm going to click on that, and then it's loading right here. So this is a Web 2.0 blog. It's a gorgeous blog, but it's just a blog that's pointing back to our website, right? This is just a blog that's pointing back to our website. And as you can see right here, we have our website link. You click on this link, and it takes us back to our website right here, guys. This is all automated. You don't even have to touch it. So the article is automated, the website is automated, and the backlink is automated. Everything is hands off. Literally, you're just making sales while you sleep. You're ranking while you sleep. You don't have to spend hours and hours doing research and backlinking and article creating, because that takes time. I'd rather have time to spend with my family than spend all of this time, building out this stuff. Because if you're anything like me, I value my time. So I like to automate as much as I can. And this is why I love this tool, so I don't have to spend time, trying to get sales and traffic, because it's all automated, guys. So if you want to learn how to build this yourself and how to create this magnificent machine for yourself, book a call with me, a strategy session for free with me or one of my team members, in the link in the description, also in the comments below. Also, make sure to leave a like, make sure to leave a follow, and also let me know what your questions are. I would love to hear from you. And with that said, That's how the Money Robot works. It's an amazing tool. I've been using it for a lot of my campaigns. We're making millions of dollars here, and I hope I could help you make some sales as well. So with that said, thanks again for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks again. Take care, guys.